Hi everyone, today we are actually going to use the break routine that we have learned over the past few weeks to create a 3 to 4 part ensemble recording using the GarageBand app in our iPad. To get yourself ready, you'll need the following items. Number 1, an iPad with GarageBand fully installed. Number 2, a pair of wired headphones. As you can see, they've got wires in these headphones, so the Bluetooth will also work, but they may not work as well for this particular exercise. Okay, but see how you go. Number 3, a sort of kitchenware, stationaries, and everyday materials that we are going to be using to create music. Once you are ready, let's just refresh ourselves with our breaks from 1 to 6, plus break it down. Let's go. You ready? Here we go. Break 1. Break 2, break 3, break 4, break 5, break 6, break it down, break 1, break 2, break 3, break 4, break 5, break 6, there you go. Now, once you're logging into GarageBand, you'll find yourself with a lot of instruments that you can play with, and what I would like you to start with is actually not the drums but the audio recorder. You press voice and that will give you the basic setting to record your composition. As you can see on the top hand side corner, I've already got a metronome ready to go. At the moment I'm setting the tempo at 110, so I'm just going to slow it down to about 100. I think that's a good speed to start with. Let's just have a listen. Break 1, dut do. Break 2, do do dut do. I think that should do the job. Okay, and to start my first track of recording, I might actually use something that can actually hold the beat on. I'm just going to be using these spoons. And also my little Tupperware, my Pyrex actually, to give me some indication of beat. So here's my first track, which I'm going to lay down break 1 to break 3, okay? And when I press the record button, that will also give me a little counting in for 4 beat, and I will go from there. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, break 1. Break 2, break 3, break 1, break 2, break 3, so that is my 8 bars being done. So if I actually press play, 1, break 2, break 3, break 1, and of course, you know, you can, if you look at the top left hand corner, you can always press into the sequence tracks, and you can always check your recording. 1, break 2, break 3, break 1, and you can always go from there. That looks like a pretty good track to start with. So I'm just going to press the plus button at the end, and I'm going to add in another track, and that will actually give me a track 2. As you can see, a new microphone. If you press it again, it will go send you back to your microphone setting. Okay. My second track I might use. Let's see. I might use my 2 plastic cups that I have from smoothie shop. Okay, and I use that to create my break 5 and 6 in this track, like this. 2, 3, 4. Break 2, break 3, break 1, break 2, break 3. So there you go. Let's listen to it with everything merged together and see if that works. Break 2, break 3, break 1, break so you 2. Can hear that the bottom track is actually my break 5 and 6, and my first track is actually my break 1, 2, and 3. So that's a second track done. And my last track, I might use something to create my breaker down. Let me see what I can do. So I got some chopsticks. I've got my little takeaway mug, keep cup. Okay, and I might experiment a little just to see what my break 3 will sound like. Well, the chopstick doesn't really work. I might go back to the metal spoon again. That's much better. Okay, and I think that's going to go well. All right, so I've got the clicks, I've got the rims, I've got the corg. That's going to go well. And I'll finish off with the stop and see what happens. Okay, here's my break 3. 2, 3, 4. Break 2. Break 3. Break 1. Break 2. Break 3. Well, let's see how that works. Because I think the kick cup can be a little bit softer. Let's all play it all together, all 3 tracks. Break 2, break 3, break 1, break 2, break 3. Oh, well, that wasn't actually too bad at all. So what I might actually do is just to do another track with something that is actually quite long and sustained, because as you can see on my track, there's already quite a lot of ding-ding and bang-bangs, okay? So what I might do is to use these plastic cup and really do some kind of scraping sound, okay? In time with what I already have. All right, here we go. Here's a 4th track, just for the sake of it. And I might use a pair of scissors as well. I'll come up with something. All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4. Break 2. Break 3. Break 1. Break 2. Break 3. I just realized I forgot to use my scissors. Okay, so with that, I might create another track just to see whether that's going to work or not. Be very careful, don't chop anything off. And actually, no, instead of using the scissors, I might use my bottle of Coke. Okay, see what happens. Okay, here we go. Track 5. Oh dear. Just making sure they got everything ready to go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break 2. Break 3. Break 1. Break 2. Break 3. Well, apparently it got ran out of gas, so I was just creating that sound effect myself. But I think you'll get a general idea, okay? So what you need at least is one break 1, 2, 3 as one layer, okay? Maybe break 5 and 6 as another layer, and then finish up with a breaker down, okay? All laid together. It's important that you actually use a metronome, okay? So you can always keep yourself in time. See how you go with this, and all the best. And even if you start with one track, okay, and then you lay other found materials into this, that is also fine as well. Okay, see how you go. And I'm just going to keep on experimenting to see if I can get anything new out of it. Well, all the best, and I'll see you soon. And looking forward to your work, okay? Make sure you think about different type of found materials and different sound that you can use as well. And I look forward to see your GarageBand tracks. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.